Well, you're good at driving in the snow. I am not used to it.
That wasn't pretty.
We actually almost got into an accident. Remember that? We're like skidding. Like when we were like in the merge of...
Well, I don't remember. There was some, it was not an easy driving situation.
Never been in the snow that bad. It's like 35 feet.
Well, the worst driving was that New Mexico thing.
Hi, you guys. Hello. Hello.
Remember where
Nice job today, baby.
the semis were going off the road?
The Seamon? What'd you say?
The worst driving was, and I got us through it, was that New Mexico trip. Remember when they did the storm? Coming back.
That's the one I'm talking about. We're like on the way home. Remember that?
Yeah, I mean, that was difficult driving. We were going like 10 miles an hour because we couldn't go any faster.
Yeah. It was the longest drive ever. And you did a great job because there's a lot of cars like went into the ditch.
Well, I'm from Chicago,
Piling
Illinois,
up.
so I was familiar with that.
And I was like, man, I really want to get out of there and stay in a hotel, but there's no hotel available.
Well, the one thing you do when you gotta go driving with that is you can't have your foot on the brake. Because
Right.
if you do, you skid. So that's what I didn't do. You gotta stop very slowly. Otherwise, the car can go in a skid, and once it goes in a skid, you don't have any control.
Yeah, right. So we had 2 performances. We had one done, and then another one like soon after that, which is going to be in the next 25 minutes.
The first one that I had was silent.
Yep.
Is a winter performance.
Say it again.
The first one that we just did was a guitar recital.
Yes, and you did a wonderful job.
And then the second one is a winter performance at school.
And it's gonna be soon. How? So proud of you, baby boy. Love you more. Sing it again. I love that song. Driving in a way. Couldn't see the mountains. Yeah, they're very short, like it. Yeah, that was an awful experience, like driving into that really bad snow. I mean, I thought it's not gonna be that of a problem, but then there I realized a lot of people get into an accident. And then another one is we went, the first one, remember that we went all the way to, was it Texas? Lubbock? Not Lubbock. Was that the thing that we drove and then Braden actually unbuckled himself and then we had to pull over? We pulled over like a corner and then our tires almost got stuck in the snow. What's the name of the city we're going to Texas, Keith?
It was Amarillo, I thought.
Yeah, there we go. Yeah, Amarillo. You can make a left over here.
Well, I still remember when,
Definitely.
I still remember when Danielle got out of the back seat and started heading towards the front. Remember?
That was you
Grandma?
too. You both are doing those things. Like unbuckled yourself.
Yeah,
Like,
you were only like 1.5, Danielle.
and you're like, why she looks so close talking to me? And you really were standing right here.
We had to pull off. I had to pull off I-10. Because you were like standing up right here on I-10.
And Brayden the same thing. Like I tried to hide how to buckle himself. Like I hid myself where to buckle him, so he didn't realize it where it is. But he still figured it out, and then all of a sudden he's just standing. I'm like, what? In the middle of the snow too, like middle of the snowstorm.
That was scary. Remember the time we had to take you to the North Phoenix to get the 7 cavities filled?
Oh my gosh. Whatever.
Here's a good memories right here. And I
but
remember you screaming. I heard you scream right from the hallway. I was like, Mom, Mom! I was like, oh my God, I need to help her, but I can't go and get her out of there.
You did a good job that day.
You pulled the teeth out?
I didn't pull any. They just fixed it. It was a good day for her. She acted very good. Oh yeah.
Make it right.
Yeah, your sister was always a good girl.
Well, you know, we were so confident thinking that she did a great job of brushing her teeth when she was like 2 years old. And she wanted to do it herself and not realizing that she didn't really brush it quite well. And then she ended up with having those cavities.
She hasn't had much cavity since.
Stop.
She had one.
Now we're here, the next performance for Brayden.
Where do I park?
A little close to the gate because it's raining and you don't want to be so wet. Walking in. A little bit close to the
Right
gate.
here?
Yeah. Maybe a little further, far away. Not far away, like another block.
Here?
Right. Is there any available parking?
I don't know.
I see right there, one next to the green one, but the green one is not parking quite right. Oh, right here. Right here, Lola. Okay. Good job. Canadian.
Right here.
Yeah. Perfect spot. We are here. All right, you guys.
I gotta back up a little bit.